twitching and playful paws. C is for cat, let's hear some applause. C cat, it likes to play, chasing yarn and toys all day, climbing trees and taking naps. C is for cat, full of happy claps. Big eyes shining in the dark of night, hunting for mice with all its might. Meow, meow, it softly calls. C is for cat, walking on walls. Big-eyed or ginger too, cats come in all colors, it's true. A furry friend, loyal and kind. C is for cat, one of a kind. C cat, it likes to play, chasing yarn and
Subscribe me and subscribe.
climbing trees and taking naps. C is for cat, full of happy claps.